Hi, I'm Amy Eisman with Entwine Web Design, and this is a super quick video to show you how to install and activate a brand new plugin on your WordPress website. So I'm on my test site here, and we're going to go over here to plugins, and we want to go to add new. If you just go to where you already have your plugins and you search up here, it's only searching the installed plugins. So you want to make sure you either click add new over here on the left side, or you click add new up here at the top. So we're going to click add new up at the top. Okay, it takes us to the new plugins page here, and you can see I already have Yoast installed, so it says right here active, and then it has a bunch of the most other popular plugins, and you can see these all have like 1 million active installations, which is great. They're all updated, so these are all pretty solid plugins. So I'm going to install Akismet, so we click install now. Akismet is a great plugin if you have spam comments. I have it installed on all of my websites and activated, but not on this one because this is like my test website that's hidden from all search engines. So you can see I now have Akismet installed, and I can access the settings to plugins in several different places. If you can't find it, you can always come to the plugins and I can access the settings here. Sometimes they'll just show up over here on the left-hand side. In this case, if I hover over settings, often plugin settings will show here, and in this case they do. So Akismet anti-spam is right here, and you can click there and then you can go through all the settings for each of your plugins. But that's how you install and activate a brand new plugin on your WordPress website.